kale katutandikiraawo tulabe. Kati Mwami Sewanya naye yabuuziza ekibuuzo ekyo. I think I start with Uganda. Mwami Sewanya naye yabuuziza ekibuuzo ekyo. Obale nnyo kukibuuza ekibuuzo ekyo. Ate wabaddewo omuntu ng'ayogera ku bintu bya bail. You are innocent until proven guilty. Njagala mukitegeere bulungi. Recovering the lost money oba okufuna sente ezo osooka n'owaaba omusango n'ogutwala wa DPP. Poliisi bwekwata ababbi baffe nga tumaze okubalondoola, poliisi nebakwata gye tukola nayo tubatwale wa direct of public prosecution. DPP yabatwala mu kooti ne batandika bail no. Abantu abo amagezi nnyo. Nina omubbi omu twakamukwata emirundi ekyo esatu nga Beddagala. Bw'ava wano agenda Wakiso nabba eddagala, bw'ava Wakiso ajja wano nabba eddagala e Nakasero, bw'ava awo agenda nabba eddagala awalala. Alina emisango egyo esatu naye akyatulemye. Twamukwata naye n'afuna bail. Kati mwenga fourth estate, you need to talk about bail for those criminal acts. No, it's in court. I can't give you the name. You know that is sub judice. I cannot, but you know the person actually. You people know because you've covered the case very well. Kati chenjagala tutegeere kati okulikavaringa sente ezo kiba kizibu. Naye kambaweerezeko ekimu. 2021 fiscal year 2021 we recovered 6.2 billion shillings worth of drugs. Obuwumbi mukaaga bw'eddagala. Mu mwaka gwa 21-22 we recovered 2 billion worth of drugs. Obuwumbi bubiri. 2022-23 we recovered 1.2 billion worth of drugs. 23-24 we recovered about 800 million worth of drugs. We are talking about recovery. You want what I did not recover. This is the reason. Tubatwala mu kooti ne babeerayo ne banoonya lawyer oba wakatuukaawo lawyer ne bagamba nti lawyer ati mulwadde postponement. Ne muddayo ne bamuleeta n'agamba nti kati lawyer ono si kyamwagala njagala omulala. Ne baleeta postponement. Waliwo gwe twakakwata emirundi egyo esatu naye ng'atutwala mu kamunguluze bwe katyo. Waliwo be twakakwata Embaale nabo batutwala mu kamunguluze bwe kati. Western region, same thing. I have the figures here. I can give them to you. But the biggest problem is that ababbi tosobola kuba bw'obanga tolina magezi. Babeera n'amagezi mangi ate tebabba bokka. There is what we call syndicated corruption. Abeno n'abanooli n'agenda anoonya looyo omututu oli ow'omutawaana ne batambula bombi nga webanyabonya gavumenti ne tuddayo komawo ddayo. I have suffered a lot. I can tell you about that. Now, somebody said, I think it is you, wagambye nti ania bed nze I don't remember your name, sorry ma'am. Susan, yagambye nti nze Susan sisobola kubba eddagala, and you are very right. Tosobola kulijja mu store, kati ani alijjamu? That's a very, very important question she's asking. And a thief from outside cannot steal drugs without collaborating with somebody in the hospital. And I am telling you, I am a physician. I am a physician. Some of us are thieves. We have nurses. Some of them are thieves. We have pharmacists. Some of them are thieves. Those, Susan, those are the ones who give you the drugs they steal. You go sell, give them a bit, they pocket. But we have them. We also have them. Susan yabadde abuuzizza ekibuuzo nti ye nga Susan anaatuuka eri mu sitoowa eddagala alibbeyo eryo Moses Kababali yataddeyo ne mugamba nti nno ffe abasawo ababeera mu ddwaliro ffe tulina ebizibu oyo agaba eddagala pharmacist oba naasa alijjayo lino eryokwereza omulwadde empeeke bweziti oba noono dokita awandiika ffena tulina ebizibu byaffe nga tuli babbi naye nga tubakwata bwe tubakwata they are innocent until proved guilty ne batandikirawo once they are in prison or in the cells, in the police cells for 48 hours, they start harassing ACP Chituma. Then the lawyers take Namara to court. 48 hours. Human rights. I don't know. Doli kata abunova koloti. Syndicated corruption. Ye beri Beddagala Susan ye Moses lyateekayo. Ate lye kyetulwanyisa ekyo. Ate nga tukirwanyisa na kyekulwanyisa yonna. And I can tell you that we have many of them on bail. Yes. Yes. What is your name? Let me answer the first question. What have you done? We have arrested them. They have gone to court. They have been arraigned to court by the DPP. Actually, it's not we have. The police has arrested them. We have arraigned them in court. They have been given bail, Ibrahim.
How many are they?
There are very many. But of course, hang on, Ibrahim. If you want, we can have a one-on-one interview. After this one, we can have. But I can tell you, guys, come on, Fourth Estate. You know that it is sub judice for me to talk about names. Don't you know that? You want me to go to court? So, but suffice. No. What have you done? Yes, we have arrested them. The DPP has taken them to court. They have been given bail. But we are not giving up. We are still making sure they deliver on what they were making sure that they'll have their day in court, and some of them are actually locked up. I think that's what I think I've made sure that I've also answered it.
No.
Why?
No.
Syndicate. Banange syndicate ani agitegeera mu Luganda. Kati olukalala w'ababbi kati katugambe wetuti Ibrahim ali wali azze kubba eddagala n'asanga wano Dr. Namala yalina eddagala Susan yewa stowa kati fena twensatule ate waliwo noono policeman akuuma hospital kati bana 4 people olw'olukalala olwo lwe syndicate kyekitegeeza olukalala lw'abantu abo bana nga babbye eddagala sinakindi bajja kubirwaniramu mu mbaga neyo lwaggulo ate temubamanyi muli b'amawulire
Mubufunze Dr. Ababbi Beddagala bali munda mu bitongole.
Manya. A number, there are very many. I need to go and consult my numbers, but there are very many, I can assure you. There are very many. There are about 4 in Kampala, there are about 2 in Mukono, there are about 5 in Mbale, there are about 2 in Kabale, Western region, and there are about 2 in Chitagwenda, and I think there is 1 or 2 in Lira, and I think